Okay, try it. Alright. There you go. Keep going. Stop. Boy. Stop.
That's some real action right there.
Stop. Okay, go ahead. Whoa. You're on the line. Time out. Let me get you started. Alright.
On that side, but over here it's kind of going down.
Well, hold on. Turn around and do it from the other direction now.
I guess you change hands or something.
Yeah, you gotta be ambidextrous.
Okay, I gotta start like up higher though.
Yeah. Turn it off. Go, dude. You cut all the way through?
I think so.
Don't be afraid to cut through the drywall. That's what Sawzall for. That's what Sawzall for. Okay, go. Keep going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Don't try to correct it too much, Barrett. Just push your Sawzall against the drywall. Keep it up against it. Go for it. You're just using that line as a reference. You don't have to be on that line.
Oh.
Yeah, we're doing demo now. We're not doing cabin work. Keep your Sawzall against the drywall. Turn it. Here. No. Yeah, now start to turn it. Yeah. Turn it like that. Now push it all the way through the wall. Go for it. Son.
Up on something.
Keep it against the drywall. Push it. Aha! Now knock that sucker out. All right. Good job, son. So what we're doing is we're going to cut a big opening here for a cabinet that'll go underneath the TV. You know, the TV's like 24 inches tall. It'll go up here. And that blocking is to mount the bracket to. That's an overkill for blocking. It's just that since I'm cutting these two studs out, that's going to form a header to hold those two studs up. So what they'll have after that, there's a closet behind this, and the shelf will be recessed into the wall like these over here. So it's going to be kind of cool. Barry, you're doing a good job.
Thanks.
The electrician's on his way to help us take these wires out, and we'll cut our hole. That's pretty good. You always miss when somebody turns on the video camera. Push that stud out of your way. Make sure it's flush with that stud, okay? Mr. Lefty. Barry, you know the secret to driving nails. You know why I only hit it 3 or 4 times is because, listen, the more you hit it, of course you're in a knot there. The more times you hit it, the hotter the nail gets. Okay, the hotter the nail gets, the easier it will be to bend. So you want to hit it with like 3 or 4 swift blows, and just drive her home. Of course that wire's in your way, so it's not like you can. Imagine your hammer going to the 2x4 every time. Now you're in that knot, so that doesn't count.
Oh man.
Here. The pro's gonna have to do that one. Ready? Hold that wire up for me. Oh, baby. It's all in your mind. Fish her out. It's a breakthrough. If you need the directions.
Sometimes that thing don't want to go down. There we go. That's how you do it.
Now what we'll do now, Barrett, is over here on that part of the ceiling we'll get 2 can lights. The ceiling fan will go there where that light is, and then the electricians are going to run their cables down through the wall and through the opening, down to the floor so we can use them. And then after that we'll come back and drywall over that hole. And we're also going to measure that opening and build a cabinet to go in there. So it's going to be cool, man.
Oh, yeah.